Welcome to the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. This is the letter C, day 2. Now we're going to take our donut and cut a section of pie out to make a C. Put a small dot right in the center of your tiniest circle, and then you are going to create a pie slice, and not like Who Ate All the Pie slice, but just a regular pie slice coming out of that center dot. And those are going to be your C lines. So draw that top and the bottom. Oh, I feel like I need a little more pie here. But draw your top and bottom lines in, and then you're going to go in and erase all of that good stuff in the middle. But I would suggest not erasing it completely so that you can still see that outer guideline, because we have to draw one more circle outside still. I hope that you remember how with the guidelines. Draw your guidelines around your outer circle so that you can draw an even bigger one. Once you have your guidelines in place, go through and connect them. You always want to keep an eye on the interior circle just to ensure that you are maintaining the same distance all the way around. Remember to place your guidelines, your pencil, and your paper in such a way that you can always see both the original circle, this one here, and where your guidelines will be coming up. Now here's the coloring in part to make it pop. You can just use your pencil because we're playing around here, or you can use black ink to really solidify your C. I'm going to use black ink because I want to show you one more step at the end to make this thing pop off the page. I just grabbed a regular office pen. If you have a fancy pen that you'd like to use, that's great. If not, fancy supplies aren't necessary for creating anyway. Though it might be a little faster than using a pen like this. Now we're already done day 2 and we have a fully finished C. Next time, we are going to be adding a little something special to this to make it even more interesting.